Can Bitcoin reach $110,000 again? Rhythm in Convergence, right pointing arrow ready for re-acceleration? Hello, this is Top Trader Jinlog. You can check this report with full charts on my blog. If you need continuous analysis, feel free to subscribe or comment. For faster access to reports, please choose the priority processing option. VPAR chart explanation. This is the Bitcoin chart as requested for analysis. The circled areas in the past and present are potential short-term trend, yellow consolidation and upward trend points. These points have a higher probability and potential return when they are near the swing line, white or medium-term line, orange. Each chart has its own wave tension and trend. Currently, it is above the medium-term, monthly wave, and swing, weekly wave resistance supply levels. It has been in a short-term downtrend for approximately 2 weeks. We are looking at the breakthrough and support trend of this short-term line to consider a swing entry point. Investment opinion: pushpin short-term wait and buy on dips, right pointing arrow focus on rhythm convergence phase, pushpin medium-term upward trend potential remains valid. Pushpin, potential for repeated surge dip cycles driven by policy, political news and ETF flows, 2-week expected return. Plus 4.8% right pointing arrow $109,580. Probability 66%, 2-month expected return. Plus 1.2% right pointing arrow $116,320. Probability 61%, 2-year long-term target. Plus 2.5% right pointing arrow $180,300. Probability 55%. Summary: Bitcoin entered a corrective phase after reaching its all-time high. Monthly and weekly charts show ongoing rhythm convergence, while daily and 120-minute charts are attempting a short-term rebound after establishing a local bottom. Despite increased volatility from ETF outflows and political issues, technically Bitcoin is regaining box center and positioning for potential re-acceleration. VPAR rhythm analysis: full moon monthly strong acceleration followed by first clear convergence phase. No trap detected, maintaining position near box center. Rhythm indicates potential for re-acceleration in this phase. Green circle weekly BW bandwidth convergence clearly underway. Overbought pressure is easing. Key resistance at $111,800. Box center support $100,000,105,000. Weekly RSI, MACD trending back to neutral. Watch for momentum recovery. Blue circle daily strong overbought conditions, right pointing arrow trap and sharp pullback, right pointing arrow currently recovering $102,000,104,000. Box support $97,000,099,000. Breakout above $110,000 will open bullish path. RSI rebounding from recent lows. MACD attempting to bottom. Purple circle 120-minute local bottom confirmed at $102K, right pointing arrow recovering toward box center. Breaking $105K may trigger quick move toward $108K. Rhythm recovering after recent trap. Short-term upside potential remains. Financial flow, network, fundamentals: Bitcoin hash rate at all-time highs. Strong network security. Network fees stabilized after recent spikes. Active wallet count remains near highs. On-chain metrics still bullish. ETF flows, $400 million net outflow, right pointing arrow increasing short-term volatility. News and risk summary: political issues, right pointing arrow Trump versus Musk comments triggered BTC sell-off, $400 million outflow from US Bitcoin ETFs. Weak US jobs data, right pointing arrow rising Fed rate cut expectations, right pointing arrow midterm bullish catalyst for BTC. Key risks: prolonged ETF outflows could drive BTC below $100,000. Political comments, Trump etc., could continue to increase volatility. Deeper correction possible toward $97,000, $99K if rhythm fails to regain upside momentum. Strategic scenario: bullseye entry accumulate $102,000,104,000 zone. Add more if $100K fails. Target $97,000, $99K zone. Bullseye targets: first target, $109,580. Probability 66%. Second target, $116,320. Probability 61%. Long-term target, $180,300. Probability 55%. Prohibited stop loss close below $96,500. Triggers stop loss. Outlook: the market feeds on uncertainty. The key is to catch the moment when rhythm starts to pulse again. Bitcoin is now in its first significant correction since reaching its all-time high. Technically, it still holds strong potential for re-acceleration after completing this convergence phase. While short-term risks stem from ETF outflows and political comments, medium-term bullish cycle remains intact. Deep dive: institutional flows, ETF outflows observed, monitoring for signs of reinflows. Short interest funding rates, shifting from neutral to slightly long biased. Social trends: BTC-related mentions surged recently but now stabilizing. Further interest likely if $100,000 holds.